Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. They are usually on the radar. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house or brand of Zara. Doesn't need introduction. They are very well known by now. A few years ago I was one of the first to bring Zara fragrances to the attention of the community, and since then they've been very popular for a very few good reasons. First thing first, they are very good value for money. Second, they smell good, the quality is good. The only thing is majority of the fragrances, they lack performance, and that's the biggest problem with Zara fragrances. But from time to time they release fragrances that are very good performer and they smell fantastic. I had one of the this line, which is called the Forest line. There are 4 in this lineup. A few weeks ago I bought one, unboxed it and reviewed it, and it was fantastic. It was a beast mode. And that one called Forest Salty Coastal by Zara, highly recommend it. Stupendously beautiful fragrance for what you pay, under £30. So I had to get the sibling, which is this one, is Mountain Woody Forest. So that's why I had to get this one, because I love the green genre. If you know me, if you know my channel, one of my favorite genre in perfumery is green fragrances, and that's why I had to get it, especially after the first one, which was performing amazingly and also the smell was fantastic. I had to get this one as well. So without further ado, let's do this. Before I unbox it, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, the standard box is quite nice. It's a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. For the sake of this video, I unsealed it because I didn't want to take too much time when I'm doing unboxing, but I'm smelling it with you. I haven't smelled it anywhere before. So it opens like this. What a beautiful bottle. I am a sucker for green bottles, and this is no exception. Look at that, beautiful. It's 100 ml Eau de Perfume, and so far so good. Alright, in the back it says Siberian pine, nutmeg, incense and leather. Woody, smoky, spicy. Delicious. So let's bottle is gorgeous, beautiful bottle. The cap is like I think it's wood. Yeah, it is wood, but it's quite light. Black atomizer, and here we go. Very good atomizer. So how is the first impression for Zara? And this is Mountain Woody Forest. I'm telling you, they don't disappoint. This line is amazing. It's probably one of the best Zara I ever smelled. The first one, the Coastal Forest Salty one, was perfection, and this is no exception. What a beauty. The perfumers they work on the last one, they work on this one, and it shows. What a skill, what a beauty. Wow, gorgeous. So first thing it hits me is the greenness of it, and it's superbly green. So whatever green is you can think of is in here. It's herbal, it's grassy, it's woody, it's leafy, it's earthy. Goodness me, it's like a combination of so many greeneries. obviously very woody. It's quite balsamic, and also it's got a coniferous feel to it. It's like a very thick leaves, okay, you know, and you crush those leaves together, so many leaves, kind of leaves together, and you crush them and you smell it. It's so realistic. It's got a little bit of spicy tinge to it, not much, but it's got a spicy tinge, especially for the first impression. It's got very aromatic feel to it as well. I'm expecting to be something like maybe lavender, maybe violet, something like that is in here, because it gives them that aromatic, that spicy aromatic fresh feel to it. It's quite fresh in the beginning, although it's quite dense and earthy as well, but it's got a freshness to it, and it's like very realistic. It's like you're in a mountain, in a jungle, in a woods, and you're smelling all these beautiful wild trees and grass and the earth and bushes and leaves, and gorgeous to the maximum, man. This is up my alley. You know, I'm a middle-aged man. I love this genre anyway, but this is done to perfection. Little bit of leathery feel to it in the background, but more than leatheriness, I feel the woodiness. And the woods are here are not heavy woods, but they are quite dense. So I'm expecting it to be like cedar, maybe sandalwood, maybe, because it's very smooth. So it feels like sandalwood to me as well, and also cedar to make it that bright woody feel. And overall, what an opening, what a smell. I give it 10 out of 10 for this opening. It's gorgeous, at least to me, for my taste, for my age, for my experience, for my background and all that. Okay, yeah, done to perfection. I can't give it more than that. 10 out of 10 for the opening. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, development, things like that. But well done, Zara, for making such a beautiful fragrance again. I know many people you know, criticize Zara for lack of performance, but this genre, this lineup doesn't have problem of at the moment is feeling the room is so strong. So I'm hoping that this is going to last same as the first one, the coastal forest salty one. If it is as strong as that one, mamma mia, we have a beautiful gem on our hand. Okay guys, in terms of smell itself, is it's not challenging, but it is a little bit on the mature nose side, and also it's on the classic side, yes. Also it is I won't say particular taste, but it's not everybody's taste, because this green, earthy, woody, spicy, aromatic, leafy, coniferous, balsamic, all these things are given a tinge that it can be off-putting for some people, especially for the strength of it. It's very strong as well. Okay guys, but for first impression, first sniff, absolutely yes, 2 thumbs up, and I'll let you know in the next video the rest of it. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I'm the artist here, nobody else is involved. I buy the oils and I mix them together, and I come up with the final product, which is the beautiful, amazing fragrances, out of this world, beautiful, very long lasting, super beast mode, very artistic, very unique. Nobody else can replicate what I do, and I do daring stuff. So majority of the companies out there, they won't come near what I'm mixing together, for obvious reason, because they want to sell, they want to, you know, crowd pleasing. I'm not crowd pleaser. These are very unique. So if you like to buy them, you need to live in United Kingdom. Unfortunately, only the lucky people in United Kingdom can purchase them. I leave them in the description as well, the links. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.